Hi everybody, this is Shailla and I am in Tasmania. It's very cold. As you can see, it's foggy, and actually I had no plan at all of making a video right now because this is writing day. I am in Tasmania to work together with brilliant writing genius and unite our forces to write a fantastic feature film that will be filming in Tasmania and in Melbourne. Oh, look at that. Look at those trees. I love when trees do that, you know, they make an arc. It's so beautiful. And so my brain is in this creative mode, just, you know, flowing through things and ideas, you know, warming up for the writing session we have ahead. But then, so it's so foggy. Look at the fog. It's so foggy. And it's only about midday. It's very foggy. I just find it so beautiful, you know, the trees. You can see the... you know, they're just so green and lush, and like all the plants. But normally down there, I had a photo the other day that I shared on Instagram. You can see the full view of Tasmania. You know, it's nice and blue, and you can see the water and the bridge. But right now, you cannot see anything at all. But I find the fog beautiful. I think it's my passion for movies, and I do love, you know, look at these flowers. The colors are so intense, so gorgeous. I love it. Oh, so beautiful. And yeah, I love dramatic movies. I love British movies. So I think that, you know, the cold weather, the cloud weather adds up to the drama, you know, to... you know, the weather is a character itself in the story, you know. It has a big influence on people's mood and, you know, yeah, people's behavior, how we dress, how we interact. It has massive impact on everything. And I don't know, summer is gorgeous, I think it's happier, but yeah, cold day has such a special beauty, and I think that's why I enjoy going to the UK in winter. As you know, as much as I don't enjoy actually feeling cold when you go out and when it's really cold, even if you have so many layers. Look at how beautiful these are. Even when you have so many layers, you know, you still get cold somewhere. But it's beautiful, and I just started to make this short video just to share this beautiful day. I'm going to the corner, which is normally where you get the beautiful view. I think I'll put the beautiful view as the thumbnail of this video. No, but then you think, you know, people think this is a summer day, which is not. The video is about this beautiful, you know, foggy day. Maybe I'll put the photo of what this view is like on a normal day, you know, so you get to see the before and after. But right now, yeah, you cannot see much. It's just fog. Well, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. This is just sharing a little bit of Tasmania. I've made a few other videos which I'll be sharing as well. Oh, look at that, so foggy, we can't even see the end of the street. Yeah, certainly cannot see the beautiful view of the mountains and the water that we can see on a normal day. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. You share, you know, you like, you comment, share the love. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good week. Bye bye.